closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling.
Hi you guys, I'm so excited to tell you Jason and I got engaged on our trip. First of all, good morning. How are you guys? I am severely washed out. There we go. Coming back to life, girl. He did so good. It is so beautiful. This ring is gorgeous. Let me show you up close. So it's got the twisted band. It's got them in the middle and then around. It's so pretty. I'm obsessed. I love it. Yeah, so he did it. And he's gonna bark at everything that freaking walks by. It's just the neighbor and our dog. You don't need to be so mean, girlfriend. But anyways, so he did it. No, I just got a big head. He did it in Vegas. He tricked me. I literally, seriously, in my heart, did not think that he was gonna propose to me, because he had it where he was like, I'm not bringing a carry-on. Indiana Jones, quit yelling at the neighbors, girl. He pretty much like convinced me that it wasn't gonna happen. He didn't bring a carry-on, so I'm like, okay, he didn't bring it, you know. And then he's lost his luggage before, and he's like, I'm not bringing it in my suitcase because what if they lose it? Blah blah blah. So he actually gave it to my dad, and my dad brought it on the plane, and like it couldn't have been more perfect, honestly. I'll tell you guys more about it in a little while, but I'm actually gonna just have some coffee, which I don't think I even started, because I'm actually going to see my best friend. So I have about an hour. I'm gonna drink my coffee, wake back up. Yeah, I'm still in awe. Like, I can't wait to see my best friend. I can't wait to see my best friend Danielle today and show her my ring and just show her or tell her the whole story, because she doesn't know the whole story yet. And I'm also seeing my best friend that I've been friends with for years, Kathleen, tomorrow, Tuesday. And I freaking can't wait. I literally, oh my God, I just love them so much. And hopefully I'll see my other friend Faith soon, because they're gonna be my wedding, obviously. And then his sisters will probably be my wedding, but I don't know yet. We'll have to just see. But yeah, anyways, I just had to tell you guys, I'm so freaking excited. I can't believe it. And I'll insert some pictures and some videos, and I'll also come back to this here and tell you guys the whole story. Jason and I are making dinner together, because making dinner together.
I'm making the whole dinner.
No, I'm making all of the dinner, sitting right here.
I'm making all dinner. Me and Ric Flair. Woo!
Yeah, he get hit on at the grocery store.
You get hit on. She liked the shirt. If they were getting hit on, they would have continued talking about wrestling.
Mm-hmm.
You need.
Guess what, guys?
Go.
This is the first time you're in my vlog as my fiance.
Hitting on someone.
Babe, I'm just giving you shit. It's hilarious. So we're having, what are we having?
Seat.
Tell the
Imagine
people.
all the shit that thing
Hey,
makes.
tell them what we're eating for dinner tonight.
We're eating lobster with crab ravioli. Rabba.
And butter sauce.
No. Cream. Why would you put butter sauce?
We're having corn on the cob. And lettuce.
And lettuce.
Technically we are. No, we're gonna have wraps, chicken wraps. Tonight I'm gonna have
Elbow macaroni.
a wrap, and then for my lunches this week I'm gonna have a wrap too, but that's fine. But yeah, Jason and I are so excited that we're gonna get married. I mean, less than a year. It's very exciting, but it's very stressful. Poor Jason had to deal with me.
Yeah.
I mean, I feel like I could have been a lot worse. Anyways, here's Indy on her dog bed that's completely all over the floor, so just don't disregard that. But here's Indy. Indy, say hi.
She's hiding.
Indy, say hi. Say hi, my name is Indy and I love Indy. I mean, I love mommy. What is up, you guys? I have not been on here in a hot minute. It feels like I am coming at you in real time. It is Sunday. My hair is crazy. I'm trying to do that cute thing where you have it back. The sun is beating off that window, so I'm so sorry. But I have a Q&A for our engagement. I wanted to do this. I wanted to update you on everything, talk to you, and let's just get right into it. So I asked you guys over on my Instagram some questions for our Q&A. So while I sit here and sip on some tea, I'm just kidding, drink my iced water, I'm gonna answer a few and just kind of give you guys an update because I had a few of you ask, can you please do an updated video on YouTube? Okay, so the first question I got was it a complete surprise? This is my ring. First of all, I want to show you guys that. It is super pretty. So it is a Neil Lane ring. Was it a surprise? Yes. So he convinced me that we were literally just going on this vacation. He wasn't going to bring a carry-on like he had talked about. He's like, should I bring my own carry-on, this and that? I'm like, well, we can just share it. Dummy. Like, I should have just let him bring his own carry-on, whatever. And he's like, well, I lost my bag before because, backstory, he actually did lose his luggage before. And like, it didn't come for like 3 or 4 days. So he was freaking out about that. So he's like, well, I don't want to put it in my suitcase. Like, this is all before. Because I'm like, you could do it in Vegas. Like, trying to drop hints that it would be cute. Like, I'm not doing it out there. It's cliche, blah, 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 blah. And so anyways, that's why I'm like, he's not doing it. And my mom kept saying, like, every night, like, make sure you dress nice. What if he did it here? Like, you know, trying to, like, pretend like she didn't know. She knew. Mom quit. Like, I kept getting like mad at her because I'm like, just stop. Like, you're making me get my hopes up for nothing. He's not doing it here. Like, I know for a dang fact. Like, we've talked about it. Like, he's not doing it. Little did I know, he would drop to his knee and ask me to be his wife, ask me to marry him. It was absolutely so beautiful how he did it. I'll throw some pictures up, obviously, throughout this. I have a little clip. My brother filmed a little tiny bit of it. Which is okay, but I wish I had like the full video because one of the questions on here is said, did you cry? I'm scared I won't. Honestly, I bawled my eyes out. I was so surprised, I think, like when he did it, after he got back up and he hugged me or whatever, I was literally bawling my eyes out. Like, I just was like, like, I have a picture after of him hugging me or like whatever, taking a picture, and I look like a crybaby, but I was genuinely so excited, and I'm still so excited to marry him. Like genuinely, I did not know that he was going to do it. Like, it was the best surprise of my life. Like, honestly, we've been together for 5 years, so I just am excited to marry him. Look, I got engaged. I don't know what to say. It's a video because I tried to FaceTime you, but I had to tell you, like, in the moment. So I will call you in the morning and like talk to you about it, but we're getting married. Another question was, did he cry? Yeah, he did a little bit. He's not an emotional person, but when I started crying, I could see like he had tears built up, and he like, you know, trying to wipe it away and stuff, which I didn't expect him to cry really, because it's, you know, I don't know. I just didn't expect him to cry. Was it the ring you wanted? Yes. So I didn't realize at the time how much that I would love this ring, but like, I genuinely, he opened the box and I like fell in love with it. It was like I had a baby or something. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Fell in love with it. And I think no matter what, the ring does not make the marriage. Remember that. Don't be greedy. Love is bigger than any diamond. So, and I absolutely am in love. I just love him. I just am so excited. I have a little bit of footage I will share with you, like when I got back and stuff. But I just wanted to jump on and answer a few questions. My battery is dying, so I'm gonna hopefully get this in here. But we did pick a venue. We are getting married April 30th. I'm so excited. April 30th of 2022. And I'm planning, I got my photographer all picked out. We have our engagement session planned for September 27th. We have all of our ducks in a row. It is very hard and it's stressful. I've cried a few times. He's gotten upset with me a few times. Like, we both bickered back and forth. And we never, ever fight. Like, we literally never fight. We elope. But we decided to go the wedding route. And jokingly, everybody's like, why didn't you get married in Vegas? I'm like, we freaking should have. It would have been so much easier. But honestly, I think I won't regret this. I won't regret buying a dress and getting to walk down the aisle with my dad and all of the fun things that I've always wanted. So even though it's expensive, it's going to be worth it. And I'm really freaking excited for April 2022. I'm so excited. Help me out and do, like, you know how weddings will do like hashtag forever and always or whatever, you know what I mean, but then you put your last name in it. Like my one best friend's last name is going to be Wood and hers will be Would You Marry Me? And so I'm just trying to think of a cute hashtag. Thank you guys so freaking much. This is the quickest little updated video. I just wanted to throw it out there and have it out there because a lot of people were wondering, wanting updates. And my YouTube, I'm behind on videos. I promised you guys that I would do a video twice a week, and so I'm gonna get back to that this week starting now. And I love you guys so much, seriously, from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. I know I only did a few questions, but I will do another in-depth Q&A. Maybe I'll add Jason to this one. So if you have any questions, ask them down below. We'll do a couple Q&A if I can get enough questions and get him to do with me. I know he would, but he's a jokester, so ask some funny questions, get them in there. He is not a serious type of person, so get those serious questions too, because I'd love to know. But anyways, love you guys. See you next time. See you in the next one. Please subscribe, like, it really helps my channel if you give it a thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't, because I'd love to have you stick around with my YouTube family. Bye.